Hey GraphicsFlow users, your December art drop is here. We built this month to help you finish the year strong and roll straight into Q1 with fresh, fully editable layouts that save time and help you win more orders. Kick things off with winter sports. New templates for baseball, tennis, soccer, volleyball, track, and skiing. Plug in team names, swap colors, drop in numbers, and you've got spirit wear, tournament tees, and booster packs ready to print. Next up, New Year's and Mardi Gras. From countdown parties to parade merch, these festive layouts are perfect for limited-time drops, corporate events, and local celebrations. Let's dive into school activities. We've added clean, performance-ready artwork for marching band and jazz band, plus polished designs for academic honors clubs. Ideal for concert tees, spirit stores, and recognition apparel. Serve local businesses with durable, brand-forward designs for the trades: construction, welding, and barber. Great for workwear bundles, crew gifts, and shop merch that reorders all year. And don't miss the respectful, service-focused layouts for first responders, built for fundraisers, department apparel, and community recognition. Every design is fully editable in GraphicsFlow. Names, dates, colors, mascots, done in minutes. Keep jobs moving, boost sales, and start the new year ahead of schedule. Log in now to explore the December art drop, only on GraphicsFlow.